Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to gravel your country lane in the back part of your property using a Landplane, also known as a driveway leveler. We're matching our Frontier LP 1207 Landplane with a John Deere 4052M compact utility tractor. It packs 51.5 engine horsepower, and it comes with a hydrostatic transmission for ease of use. We've also added a D170 loader to this tractor that can lift over 2,000 pounds, along with a 73-inch bucket, because there's all kinds of chores around the place where a loader and a bucket are just indispensable. But before we get started, let's go take a look at our country lane and see what we're up against. As you can see, we've got about 150 yards of bare track that runs all the way to the top of the hill. Erosion has taken its toll, so we've got a lane full of ruts and bumps we need to smooth out before we spread our gravel. I see that we're not hooked up to our Landplane, so we'll hook this Landplane up to this tractor utilizing this iMatch Quick Hitch. This Quick Hitch is an attachment you can add to the tractor to make attaching this implement easy. So I'm going to focus on this middle hook right here. That's all I'm going to look at as an operator, and I'm going to hook up to my Landplane with the 3-point. We're going to lock it down with the locking levers. We're ready to go to the field. We've got work to do. We've got that country lane to level. The scare fires on our Landplane do a great job of churning up the bumps and dips caused by erosion. Once we churn and flatten out those heavily eroded areas, we'll come back and smooth everything out using the Landplane's blades, creating a smooth, level surface all the way from the top to the bottom of the lane. As the Landplane starts working, the loosened material is picked up and starts flowing over the blades. When the Landplane box fills, material flows evenly across this working width, leaving a smooth, flat surface behind. Okay, we've scarified and smoothed the surface with a few passes of the Landplane, and now we're ready to lay gravel. Now you can spread the gravel with the hydraulic loader and the bucket on your tractor, but with the lane this long, having the gravel truck spread it is a much better idea. So we had the dump truck driver back down our lane, then gradually spread the load of gravel as he travels back up to the top. I figure it'll take 2 loads to cover the lane thoroughly. Then, once the gravel is down, we'll use the Landplane to smooth it out for a firm, even surface. Now we've got a graveled country lane that's better equipped for handling all kinds of traffic. And we'll give it a little maintenance every year to keep it that way. And you can learn how by watching our Notes from the Field video on how to maintain a gravel drive. Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it is built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.